It is a empirically proven, comprehensive body of knowledge on the subject of human behavior, specifically human behavior in organizations, which we have built into a methodology, the object of which is to change, shift, grow, develop the culture of an organization, any organization. We all have a collection of attitudes and values and beliefs that drive our behavior every day, that causes us to make decisions in a certain way every day, a function of these attitudes and values and beliefs. And it's out of those decisions and out of that behavior that it creates the results that we achieve in our life. Now, if you want to make a shift in the results that you are achieving in your life, you ultimately have to make a shift in the attitudes and values and beliefs that hold. What we know also is that when we think of that same linkage in terms of a team, say, we don't call them attitudes and values and beliefs, we call them norms and standards. It's the norms and standards of a team or a group that cause that team to make decisions in a certain way or behave in a certain way, and that's the results that creates the results that team is going to achieve. Now, if we drop down one step further, we look at a whole organization, and there we call it the organization culture, which is by far the largest, most comprehensive, and most powerful force in any organization, big or small. And similarly, it influences the behavior and the decisions that are made in that organization, which directly drive the results of that organization. If you look at attitudes and values and beliefs, and you look at norms and standards, and you look at culture, this is what we call the power zone. This is the door to change in an individual, the door to change in a team, the door to change in an organization's culture. This is where the energy is. This is where the juice is. This is where the emotion is. This is where the power is in that organization. And so by starting, if you want to change the culture of the organization, the attitudes and values of the individuals have to be shifted in alignment with the culture. And similarly, at a team level, the norms and standards have to be shifted. And ultimately, that begins to shift the culture of a whole organization.